Now that you've explored our new Elizabeth Machines web store, it's time to create an account. Fortunately, setting up an account is simple. If you're a new customer, simply click on Register in the top right-hand corner. Then fill out the new customer form with your user details, such as your name, position title, email address, and other contact information. This will enable you to make purchases on account. For existing customers, simply get in touch with us and we can assist you in creating a new company account, as well as adding multiple contacts to the same company account. Once your account is open, all you need to do is click Forgot Password when attempting to log in, so you can reset your password and gain full access to the web store. After logging in, you can access all information related to your account by clicking on the Welcome drop-down located in the top right-hand corner. Now, let's explore everything you can do from your account. Clicking on Overview will take you to your main account page, where you can view your most recent purchases, including pending orders, recent billing information, and tracking details for shipped orders. At the bottom of the Overview page, you can view your current profile details, shipping address, and payment information. Clicking on any of your recent orders will access more details about that specific order, including the items listed on the order, its status, pending shipment location, and payment details. You also have the option to download the order as a PDF file, or reorder the same order with just one click. On the left-hand side, you can access the Purchases drop-down, which lets you view all your orders by clicking on the Purchase History tab. Here, you can filter out your orders by status, such as Open or View All, or search for orders made during a specific date range. You can also find the Reorder Items tab under the Purchases drop-down, where you can view all items you've previously purchased from Elizabeth Machines. Alternatively, you can navigate to the Quotes tab to view any outstanding quotes you have with us. Clicking on the quote will provide you with all the details relating to the quote, including your sales representative, who is the best person to contact for any changes or to follow through with the quote. The Wishlist tab displays all the items that you have added to your wish list. In the Billing section, you can find your outstanding balance, credit limit, any credits or deposits on your account, and the terms of your account. You can also collect any outstanding invoices, with overdue ones flagged and the due date displayed. Selecting any of your invoices will take you to a summary of that invoice. You can make a payment by clicking on the Make Payment button, download the invoice as a PDF, or view your salesperson's contact details if you require additional information. The Transaction History tab provides a summary of all your transactions made with Elizabeth Machines, including your invoices, credits, payments, and other related details. You can use the Print a Statement tab to automatically retrieve your current statement of account. These statements can be filtered based on specific dates or to show only open transactions. By accessing the Settings drop-down, you can easily modify the company information that we have on file, such as your personal profile, email preferences, address location for all your facilities, preferred payment method for web store payments, and the ability to update your individual password. The Cases drop-down is the last important drop-down to note. It allows you to create and monitor any case inquiries you may have, whether they are created directly or through a specific item on our web store. When you've prepared to purchase your products from our web store, you can easily complete the checkout process and choose to receive an invoice, input your PO number, and update your shipping details, all with just a few simple clicks. We hope this guide has provided you with a comprehensive overview of the features and functionalities available on our Elizabeth Machines web store. We are committed to providing you a better customer experience and look forward to serving you.